Oh yeah, fantastic show. Yeah, well done.
Excellent, really good, really enjoyed it.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Brilliant, absolutely amazing.
I really enjoyed it. Great show. Yeah,
Great performance.
Outstanding. Brilliant, fantastic.
fabulous, absolutely fabulous.
Loved it. Absolutely loved it. Loved Thin Lizzy music, loved the Thin Lizzy story. Great to just get it in his own words.
Amazing. Beyond all expectations, amazing. He is amazing. It's like Phil reincarnated. So good, so good.
Yeah, oh, amazing, absolutely fantastic.
Very, very good. Come again.
Yeah, he could have played bass.
Show was excellent, really enjoyed it. Peter played Peter's mannerism and professionalism and playing the role of Philip Lynott was superb.
Amazing, absolutely
Very
amazing.
authentic. He was really played the part really well.
Hey guys, tell me your thoughts on the show.
What a show. Peter Smith, what a lead man, unbelievable.
Everybody, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant show.
Yeah, brilliant night. Absolutely brilliant.
Well, my brother is the musical director, so it was amazing.
You have to say it was good.
Magnificent.
Absolutely brilliant. Great to see it. Brilliant personality playing Philo and band, music, the whole thing is magic.
Very good it was.
Super, absolutely super.
Very close to the real thing. Absolutely fab.
Thank you.
God bless Philo.
Fantastic, yeah. Great songs and singing, like brilliant.
That was absolutely amazing. I came here for my dad, he couldn't make it tonight, but I just know would have been right up his street without a doubt. It was absolutely fantastic. They were absolutely amazing, and Peter Smith was unreal. And everybody else, they were just deadly. We loved it, every bar.
The Coyote called.
Excellent show, really. Just a few songs at the end was a really big lift, yeah.
Amazing. Peter did so well. Great tribute to him.
Great concept.
Congratulations on very good production. Excellent. Very enjoyable. I had tears in my eyes.
Honestly, Dublin made me cry.
It was just brilliant. It was a great tribute to Phil. It was a really good tribute to Phil. Big Thin Lizzy fan. Me and my dad and my mum, so it was beautiful.
Brilliant, Brenda Bean.
Make sure the play comes to Belfast, please.
Being Beckett, Joyce, now what a superb car. It was superb. It was spectacular. Well done. Congratulations.
Every part of it, Peter was brilliant, and you know what, the lads were brilliant as well. Brendan Bean and Oscar, they were all brilliant.